Attention sophomores, class rings and class jewelry will be delivered tomorrow during lunches in the gym lobby. You will need to pay your remaining balance due to pick up your order. Please pay online in advance or on delivery day with cash or money.
The bowling team hosted Delta on Friday. The boys won and were led by Dakota Brandeberry, who shot a .431 series. The girls also won and were led by Haylie Federspiel with a .345 series. The JV team also won and were led by Justin Murphy with a .302 series. The team came out rocking the lanes last night with a big league win over Evergreen as Isaac Stoy led the boys in the .467 series.
The boys basketball team dropped a hard-fought game against Elida on Saturday afternoon. The boys lost 52-51 after clawing back in the fourth quarter. Watson and Evan Cox each had 14 points. The JV team lost 33-24 with Jack Kennedy scoring 7 points to lead the way.
The girls traveled to Archfield on Friday to open up league play and beat the Streaks 52-34. Haylie Thiel scored 17 points in the win as Reese Grotehouse scored 12 and Ella Voigt 11 in the win.
The high school wrestling team competed at the pit on Friday and Saturday. Overall, the team finished 23 out of nearly 50 teams. Zane Bell finished 5th overall and Jordan Cook finished 7th.
The boys and girls junior high basketball teams were in action last night against Hicksville. The 7th grade girls narrowly defeated the Aces by a score of 26-24. Bria Hepkert scored 8 points and Abraham Fisher, along with Emma Slagle, had 6. The 7th grade team is now 10-1 on the season. The 8th grade fell to Hicksville 26-16. Amaya Langham had 12 points and Casey Thiel had 4. The 8th grade is now 7-4 on the season.
The 7th grade boys beat the Aces last night 46-22. Bryce Welling had 16 points and the 8th grade won a defensive battle by a score of 21-9. Anthony Weber scored 6 points.
The swim and dive team competed at Oak Harbor on Saturday. The boys placed 8th and the girls placed 10th. Athletes of the meet were Kate Thormeyer, Chris Oswald, and Will McCann.
Make it a great day!
Or not!
The choice is yours!